Hello, scholars. Starting off with a little music. As we're starting to look at this idea of periodic data, actually one of the first things that came to my mind was music. On the screen here, what you see is what the sound looks like. And you'll notice you have all these ups and downs in the music. This is the left channel and right channel, so they're pretty much doing the same thing. And you can also see that right here, this is what my music is doing also. It's going up and down with the bass. This actually is an example of periodic data depending on which section we look at. If we look at the beginning of this music, you can see that it's pretty much, although it's going up and down, it's pretty much repeating. It's doing the same thing, roughly speaking. But if we were to keep on going, we can see it starts to change. It goes down, then has this real big spike. Probably there's some big bass thing going on at that point, and then it goes back down again. But if you start looking at sections of this, very much it's repeating. This wavy kind of pattern repeating, up and down, music up and down. So that is actually what makes it periodic. So if I'm actually just looking, say, at this section here, where it's repeating, that's periodic. But if I look at it as a whole, where it's starting to change some, I can see that as the whole song progresses, it's actually not periodic. It actually does not have that pattern that repeats. But we're going to start seeing some of these graphs in this section with their wavy little lines going up and down. Some of them will repeat and some of them won't. But the whole idea of periodic simply means that it has some type of repeating pattern. So I'm going to let us listen just a little bit more as we close out and you move forward into this lesson looking at periodic data. Whoops.